Hey, and welcome to this next part of the video regarding setting up your full account on Storvelo. So in the previous video, we actually walked you through how to update your rental agreement. And in this current video now, we're going to be walking you through on how to update a couple of automations that will be helpful for your account. So to do that, right over here, if this pop-up is no more open, anywhere you are within your account, just locate on your right hand side and just click on setup right over here and just come right over here to update automations. Just click on update automations. And that is going to take us right over here to this beautiful page. We are going to locate the specific folder that we have here. It's called storage customer journey. We're just going to click on that. Once we are into this, we'll have to search for this first workflow that we have here, right? This first automation. So it's going to be called storage contact created. Let's quickly look for that right over here. So here we have storage contact created. Let's click on open in a new window. Just click on enable auto save now. Next, we're going to scroll down into this workflow, and what we have to change is right over here, what we call these actions, send documents and contracts. So for the moment, I'm just going to bring this down a little bit from here, and then I'm just going to click on send documents and contracts here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on from user, just select myself, just click on this drop down, select yourself, that is going to be there. And then that's pretty much all you have to do. So if you actually decided to create a new template, or you actually decide to modify the template, then that's all fine. You can just come right down here, and then we just have one template here, right? So you can just select the template that we have already, this level, okay? But if you did create a second template or did want to modify something, then I'm sure after that you will have to select that second template you decided to create or modify, right? So once we are done editing all of these, let's just click on save, right? So I'm just going to pop this up from here, and then I'm going to see the save action right here. Just click on save action. Once I'm done, I'm just going to click on save right over here. And that's it. We just completed this next step, which is about changing or updating one of the automations, which is storage contacts created. So the next one we're going to be updating as well is going to be storage contract sign, right? So what we're going to do now is we're just going to click right over here on this arrow that leads back, and then you're going to search for this next workflow. It's called storage contract sign. So let's look for that. We have this workflow right here. It's named storage contract sign. Let's just open that in a new tab by clicking on that arrow that we saw there. Once that is done, we're going to be redirected inside of the workflow, right? So the next thing we're going to be doing here is we're just going to click on these documents here, this first trigger, which is called documents and contracts. Let's just minimize this right here by the side. And once more, right now, we didn't actually modify the template, or we didn't actually change the template or use a second template, right? But if you actually did use a second template, make sure once you get into this workflow that you have right here, you just come somewhere down here, template is, and then you select that existing template. So if you have more than one template that was created, you can just come right over here, and then you're going to see multiple templates that you have down listed, okay? And what you have to do is just to select that specific template, which we already do have selected here by default. And then after that, you're just going to click on complete. So let's just pop this setup out, and then let's just click on save trigger, okay? And now let's click on save. And there we go. So we just completed one of the key areas concerning our account, which is updating the automations. So after that, now we can just safely come right over here and then click on check. So far, we have completed 5 out of 6 steps to have our account complete. So after doing this, let's just head back out. Before we leave, we have one last thing to update as well, right? So if we come right over down here to storage invoice send, you're going to see currently it's on draft, right? We have all the others that have been published right now. So what we will have to do is we need to also have these published, okay? So we're just going to come right over here, and we're going to click on open in a new tab. Once we have these opened right over here and loaded, we're just going to minimize this. And then we're just going to click on publish, which is right up here. So after publishing that, we're just going to click on save. And there we go. So after doing that, let's just head back over to our workflow list, and then let's just verify and see that there's nothing here that is actually on draft. Great. So this actually marks the end of this fifth step inside of our journey of setting up our Storvelo account. So thank you very much for watching this video. And in the next video, we're going to be showing you how to publish your website.